Hey guys, it's your boy Brandon, and I got a cool video for you guys. VT Cosmetics just sent me a box of their new products, and I'm about to unbox it and show you guys what's in it. Let's get it. It's a big box. Alright you guys, so we got this big box right here, and let's start with the unboxing. I'm so scared to cut it open. Alright, what we got in this box, you guys? What? What is this? Okay, you guys, check this out. Can you guys see this? Oh my gosh. Can you see this? Let's open it up. Okay, you guys, so we got this super waterful box by Super Hylon. I wonder what's in it. Let's open it together. What? Hey, look at all this cool stuff. Okay, let's check this out. Let's check this. Okay, so we got the Super Hylon. Okay, you guys, let's show you guys what we got in this box. We got some socks. Check these nice socks out. I'm gonna put these on in a second. There's so much cool stuff in here. What? Okay. We got these socks. Super Hylon. I got 2 socks. What do you guys think of these? Sora says she wants these socks. I don't know if I'm gonna give it to her. Should I give it to her, you guys? Leave in the comments below if I should give her these socks. I think they're gonna fit good on my feet. Next, we got some stickers. We got a nice little sticker pack right here. All different type of stickers in here. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 10 stickers in here. Put them on my cell phone or something like that. Then, yes! I don't know if you guys seen the previous video, the Super Hylon cream. My pack of this actually just ran out. So I'm actually really happy to get this because I just ran out of this.
Super Hylon.
Super Hylon. And
Hylon.
Hylon. It's this thing actually. I'm gonna put some on right now because I just washed my face. Can you do it for me? I don't have nails.
Why?
도와주세요. 고맙습니다. What would I do without her, you guys? I think I could live pretty well. Ish. Putting some on my face right now. Am I a good beauty YouTuber? Do I look good? Okay, I'm lifting. How do I look? Great. Okay, next, we also got a glass, a beer glass in here. If you're over the age of 19/21, depending on where you live, you can use this as a beer glass, or it could be a water glass. Woo, what is this? We got the super waterful box. What is in here? Oh, we got some buttons. We got 1 button. Oh, we got 2 buttons, and we got another button. Be waterful. Oh, we got some more of the Super Hylon Skin Booster and the Emulsion. I'm actually about to run out of this blue one too. Let's open this up real quick, you guys. So we got the Skin Booster, and we got the Super Hylon Emulsion. I'm excited to try this one out, you guys. Oh snap, you guys. There's a comic book, Super Hylon Gangster, Super Hylon comic book. Oh snap. Oh, it's in Korean. There's a bumblebee, and there's a world, and some guys doing stuff, and then there's Power Ranger, and he's got bling bling. Oh snap. Oh, he's a Power Ranger. He's gonna save the world, you guys. That's pretty cool. Check that out. You got a nice comic book. Bam, 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 bam. And then we also get I just opened this. We get this card pack. And we got some nice 1, 2. Oh, there's Daria. Okay, June of Dasha. There's Dasha right there. Do I have one? Let's see if I have one. Please say I have one. Damn. There's no me. Say Brandon. Say Brandon. Damn it. There's no me? Ah. There's Dasha has a custom one on here. I don't have one. Say me. There's no me. Come on. What is this? This is. Come on. Nah. Y'all gonna use Dasha, not me? Huh? Why she get a custom one? It's not fair, y'all. That's not fair, okay? That's not fair, okay? It should have been me on one of these things, okay? That's the only thing I don't like about this box. My picture is not on these postcards. Okay, you guys, so that's gonna be it for this unboxing of the super wonderful box. I got some buttons, I got a socks, emulsion, skin booster, the Hyaluron cream, I got my comic book, and I got some nice postcards. Anyways, you guys, if you guys like this type of videos, make sure you guys like and subscribe and leave in the comments below what kind of videos I should make next. And make sure you guys follow BT Cosmetics on all their social media accounts. The link's going to be right here and there. And anyways, you guys, make sure you guys have a good day and fighting.